It's like retro 23 year back in the day with that video. So we have an adventure today. Where are we going?
Yes, I just kidnapped Ron, and I just want to go experience. This wasn't even a part of it, but I just thought of it on the way. Cirilla's, because I just like new stuff. This is a sex store. It's like 1 out of 4 of the dance stores that we have here in Toledo. It's decent. And when you get a dance for this game, you're like 30% off. So like, even on the dances. Yeah. I'm gonna get you a little thong. Yeah, there's stuff in there.
I don't need a thong.
I'm getting
Thong shit is crazy.
That's what the building is.
Retro 23.
Oh my. Holding you hostage. That keeps me back in my head. Sorry. I be reminiscing.
So this is not what I expected.
What would you expect?
I expected a whole bunch of shit on the wall and shit. I expected to see some shit.
You gotta go into that back corner if you want to see something. They got this midget tape. It's like a little. I'm not even giving it.
Midget tape?
It's sex tape.
What is that? What is it? Yeah, I'm gonna use it. Midget tape. You're getting those?
But I'm trying to think. I don't have a lot of pink. I have pink ones. Will they fuck with that with my blonde hair? They look at me like a white girl. But I like that. Oh my God, you don't understand me until I heard that. Like, I just be talking to you myself and they're like, you better quit that little white girl act.
It's not an act.
It's not an act. It's not an act. This is my real personality.
I'm so high. Oh, these is like the do-rags. What the hell? Oh, this is most definitely a Patreon episode. What the fuck? What is that? Oh, okay.
They got flavors for everybody.
Flavors for everybody.
I like these, but I haven't really been on my emo shit. Especially on. I've been keeping them real Instagram back then.
Type shit.
I have these that fell on my fucking face.
Are those empty or can you put something in it?
They're empty. These are.
Oh, wait. What?
Use fire.
Oh, those are a whole bunch of dildos.
Yeah, good.
Those are scary. Spooky scary. What if we had like a pink, not cape, like a robe, like a sheer, like see-through kind of pink to match those heels?
Oh, I was like,
that would be dope.
They're so hot.
Friend, this girl booty so little, it look like 2 little peas. My mom be calling them booty nuggets.
Gotta bring on my six. Do I have white? I have white.
White? Okay. I've never seen this like in that capacity.
I've seen all this shit.
Wait, this is a that's a string. Alright, y'all. Secure the bag.
Yeah, we secured the bag.
I forgot where I was walking, but okay. Now what are we doing? Coca-Cola.
Yeah, I just got a new phone. Just kidding, this is Russia. Oh. But I do want to go get a new phone. Oh hell no, not the gaslighting. No. Gaslighting.
It's crazy work. Crazy work. That's why I said I'm not going to hell. I don't need anything.
I want to walk. I want something.
Here. Honesty.
Want me to take a picture? Oh, I'm vlogging. Hey y'all. We're at Carry Out local store. It's like a little maze, honestly. Like, I don't know where to go. And I think I want a Coca-Cola, but I don't need a Coca-Cola, but I want one. Big. What the fuck? This little motherfucker think he is. These kids done lost their mind. I just want to let everybody know. Oh, sorry. 1 second. These kids done lost their goddamn mind. I don't know what's in the air. I want savory, but I want sweet.
Why you close the freezer?
Because you're not getting no damn beer, Deontay. What the f?
Can you get the girl?
Yes. Something healthy, but not.
You're not even healthy.
Huh?
Are you vlogging?
Yeah. Rainbow Cup, can you get, no, that's too much sugar.
I didn't eat so much sugar today. I can't even.
They don't even. I need some chips. Where you find the chips?
Right there.
Yeah, sorry. I have the munchies.
Baby, that's all we need.
Or what?
Try to help me with